Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys what the CSRSS executable is on your computer and whether you should attempt to remove it from your computer as well. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So CSRSS.exe stands for the Client Server Runtime Subsystem, and this is a component, and it's an authentic component of the Windows operating system. And its primary function is to handle certain functions like creating and deleting threads, managing different graphical elements within Windows, as well as controlling Win32 consoles. So it is a legitimate and necessary process on Windows, and you do not want to mess with it, disable it, delete it. Any sort of guide online that's showing you how to remove it, you don't want to remove it. If you think it's malicious, you're welcome to try and run an antivirus scan on your computer with any of the popular mainstream antiviruses, or with Windows Defender that's built into Windows 10 and Windows 11. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.